Welcome to BuyTheDip.news. Today is May 12, 2026. Our AI model found 13 stocks today with both an article rating of buy and a metric score rating of buy, based on our fundamental and technical analysis. In this video, we cover 3 of them. Here's the breakdown. The following content is for informational and educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Always conduct your own research before making any investment decisions. NFL Netflix Incorporated Communication Services Sector. Entertainment. NFLX reported on Tuesday that its programming has created more than 425,000 total jobs and contributed more than $325 billion to the global economy, citing its filming work in more than 4,500 cities and towns around the world. The streaming giant highlighted its work in California, noting that its legal drama The Lincoln Lawyer contributed over $425 million to the Golden State's economy and employed over 4,300 cast and crew members over its 4 seasons, with the show filmed at more than 50 locations throughout Los Angeles including Dodger Stadium and Grand Central Market. Netflix said it has also invested over $135 billion overall in its movies and shows, with co-chief executive Ted Sarandos writing, while other entertainment companies pulled back, we're leaning in, as Netflix looks ahead to the next decade. Here are the key growth metrics for NFLX: sales growth trailing 12 months, 18.6%, weighted at 25%. EPS growth next 5 years, 21.9%, weighted at 25%. Target price upside, 32.8%, weighted at 20%. Gross margin percent, 49.4%, weighted at 15%. Drawdown from 52-week high, minus 34.7%, weighted at 15%. Overall score, 70.50 out of 100. Metric rating, buy. To summarize, NFLX article recommendation is buy, growth stock score is 70.50 out of 100, metric rating, buy. ON Holding AG, together with its subsidiaries. Consumer cyclical sector. Footwear and accessories. On Holding AG, ONH, posted record Q1 2026 net sales of 831.9 billion Swiss francs, $1.07 billion, up 14.5% from a year earlier and 26.4% on a constant currency basis, the first time On Holding AG has exceeded 800 million Swiss francs in a single quarter. The company raised its full-year profit forecast after posting record gross profit margins of 64.2% and adjusted EBITDA margins of 21%. Asia-Pacific led all geographies with constant currency sales growth of 61.4%, with China and South Korea contributing more than 20% of global net sales, while the Americas posted 17.1% growth, moderating from 28.6% growth in the year-ago quarter. On installed co-founders David Alleman and Casper Capetti as joint chief executives, while Frank Sluis stepped into the CFO role. Here are the key growth metrics for ON sales growth trailing 12 months, 38.1%, weighted at 25%. EPS growth next 5 years, 37.7%, weighted at 25%. Target price upside, 74.8%, weighted at 20%. Gross margin percent, 62.9%, weighted at 15%. Drawdown from 52-week high, minus 46.6%, weighted at 15%. Overall score, 90.80 out of 100. Metric rating, buy. To summarize, an article recommendation is buy, growth stock score is 90.80 out of 100, metric rating, buy. MD, MongoDB Incorporated, together with its subsidiaries. Technology sector. Software infrastructure. MongoDB, MDB, rose over 2% in pre-market trading Tuesday after Citi analysts reiterated a buy rating and raised its price target to $450 from $400, citing accelerating AI-driven demand for MongoDB's Atlas cloud-hosted database product. MongoDB shares have fallen roughly 30% this year, weighed down in part by a disappointing outlook issued in March that forecast first-quarter profit below analyst estimates and pointed to slower revenue growth for Atlas. Analysts argued that MongoDB is bucking the trend of a weaker traditional software budget environment as more agents and vibe-coded applications expand MDB's universe by driving demand for write-heavy, schema-evolving operational workloads, adding that Atlas usage ramps are already underway at several prominent AI customers. Here are the key growth metrics for MDB: sales growth trailing 12 months, 22.8%, weighted at 25%. EPS growth next 5 years, 20.5%, weighted at 25%. Target price upside, 12.4%, weighted at 20%. Gross margin percent, 71.3%, weighted at 15%. Drawdown from 52-week high, minus 30.9%, weighted at 15%. Overall score, 72.00 out of 100. Metric rating, buy. To summarize, the article recommendation is buy, growth stock score is 72.00 out of 100, metric rating, buy. That wraps up today's 3 buy-rated stocks. There are 10 more buy-rated stocks today that you can view at BuyTheDip.news, along with full analysis for every stock. If you found this useful, please like and subscribe for daily signals. Visit BuyTheDip.news to access buy-rated stocks and full growth metrics in real time, the moment they are available rather than after market hours, along with hundreds of additional stocks that weren't rated a buy each trading day. See you next time.